This is TWiT.
It's 4:58 a.m. I am currently up waiting to pre-order the Apple Vision Pro headset. Right now, the store says back in a blink. We're getting the Apple Store ready for Apple Vision Pro. Check back after 5 a.m. Pacific time. So we'll wait for that to change. And while we wait, I'm going to go ahead and get the old card ready. I've got some other devices with me in case I need to bring up the store on a different device. Notice it says back in a blink. That's pretty clever. Oh, looks something changed there. Looks like we might be loading. We shall see. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and bring up the Apple Store on an iPad as well, just to be safe. You need a device that has the capability to scan your face. And the Apple Store on my other device was not updated. So I'm going to update that now. Oh, looks like we're in. So I didn't even have to go to a different device. So I can go ahead and click pre-order or tap pre-order here. And it says, let's make Apple Vision Pro personal to you. First, get measured. And I will tap get started. It says, we'll capture 4 angles of your face to help you get the ideal fit for your light seal and headbands. Apple receives the recommended sizing of your face and head to demo and facilitate the purchase of Apple Vision Pro and understand and improve the customer experience. The measurement data used to recommend the sizing will not leave your device. So I'm positioning my face, and then I move my head to capture all 4 angles, looking left, right, up, and down. First scan is done. Now I'll do the second one. That scan is complete. They think the scans look good. Now I'm going to keep scrolling. I don't need any Zeiss inserts. So we'll tap get started here. No, I do wear glasses, but it's only for I don't need them for this. Have you had surgery that resulted in monovision? No. I'm all set. I don't need any optical inserts. And look, there are multiple sizes. We were wondering about this. So there's a 256 gigabyte option, a 512 gigabyte option, and a terabyte option. And there's even an information about what, how much, space you would need on a device. We're going to choose the 256 gigabyte option. And then you have the option to buy or finance, of course. I will choose buy. Apple Care is $499 for Apple Care Plus, or $24.99 a month. We'll choose monthly coverage. And then we will scroll down and choose add to bag. There are some options, including the travel case, which is available for $199. Belkin does indeed have the Belkin battery holder for the Apple Vision Pro, and then another battery option here. It looks like the Apple Vision Pro battery, so you can get an extra one, plus that 240 watt USB-C charging cable. Don't need any of that, so we'll tap continue. And then looks like we've got the date. It didn't give me an option other than to pick it up in the store. So it does seem to me that I will need to, but we'll see here. There's the device for pickup in store on February 2nd. Oh, I see. It's either pickup or it's delivery on the day, plus a recycle fee, and then the Apple Care Plus coverage. So we'll choose check out, with the total being $3,503. Okay, so it does have an option where I could have it delivered instead, but I will choose the pickup in the store with an appointment. We'll choose the Apple Santa Rosa Plaza store. And then on that date, we'll choose a time. So Friday the 2nd at, 8:30 a.m. No, let's do 9 a.m. And then we'll tap done. And then if you'd like someone else to pick up your order, tap here, no. And then we'll put in the card. And so this part you don't get to see. All right, it's time to press the place order button. With the card information loaded. Oh no, that check-in time wasn't available. So yeah, we'll do 9:30. You've got to be kidding me. Those times are quickly. Oh no, now I have to wait till 11:30. All right, good. We got through. Needed to make that happen quickly. So at 11:30 on Friday, February 2nd, I will be able to get the device. So there is all of that information. And then I can tap done. So I will go through the process of adding these things to my calendar and whatnot to make sure that I can pick it up between 11:30 and 12 on Friday, February 2nd. So we did get the day one invite, which is great. All right. And we'll tap done there. As you might imagine, we are going to have lots and lots of wonderful, excellent coverage for the Apple Vision Pro headset as we get our hands and eyes on this going forward. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. But for now, I'm going to go back to bed. I am sleepy. It is much earlier here than it is where Leo is, where he is almost certainly pre-ordering his Apple Vision Pro headset. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon when I'm not in pajamas. Bye-bye.